You can start now.
I turn it up 1 minute. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada Om Shri Maha Om Shri Guru Sada Shiva Samarambam Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Sharada Sharadam Bhoja Vadana Vadanambuje Sarvada Sarvadasmakam Sannidhim Kriyat Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.
Thank you very much. So now I will request Padmaji to take over. Before that, there are two people on leave, Padmaji. One is
Okay.
Premaji, Prema Venugopalan, and also Shakuntalaji. Just make a note of it. These two people are not available today. Other people have not sent me any note, but we'll see whether they join a little late or what exactly the situation. Okay. In fact, I have been thinking that we must give some negative points to people, two kinds of people who don't attend the class without information and who don't submit the homework. So if the negative points become a certain amount, like say 20 points or 25 points or whatever it is, I mean, negative points will be 5 points per default. Whether it is 5 points for homework, 5 points for not attending the class without information. Then 20, 25 points or 30 points it becomes, then I will have a chat with them. Are they serious in learning the language? Or it is just something that they find that if they have time, they will do it. Otherwise, they have got other priorities. Because then, they should pursue the other priorities, add probably a couple of them more to them, and forget about Sanskrit. Why unnecessarily at this age, trouble yourself with learning a language and all. And Sanskrit, by all said and done, is not very easy to learn. It requires a lot of work, rather. It's not like the other classes I conduct, like Vivek Chudamani or Bhagavad Gita. You just sit and listen. Anything goes inside or not doesn't matter, right? But Sanskrit is not like that. You are come here to learn. So you are in the class, attend the class regularly. Occasionally, one can say, okay, I mean, there are some circumstances one may not be able to attend the class. But there also, what stops you from sending a message in advance? Anyhow, I just wanted to, this is a thinking process which is going on. The idea is not to put any pressure on anybody, but only to relieve the pressure which people may otherwise feel. Oh, today is Tuesday, today is Friday, I have to attend the class, I've got so many things to do, kind of thing. To relieve them from that pressure, I thought that this will be a method which we can probably adopt. No decision yet. I will let you know about it after thinking more. Okay. Okay. Over to you, Padmaji.
धन्यवादः जी. नमः सर्वेभ्यः.
Namaste Bhagini. Sorry, I joined in a little late.
It's okay, Bhagini. don't know where it is. Okay, actually I have kept it open, but not able to access. Okay.
Guruji, I had a few doubts from the homework. I did not know the meanings of a couple of words. While Padma madam is getting up the slides, can I put that across?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Jigrati. What is the meaning of that? Jigrati, jigrataha, jigranti.
Jigrati means
Jigrati
smell.
means smell.
Sorry, Guruji?
Smell.
Smell. Okay. Then ratati.
Ratati
Ratati
is croaking.
croaking.
Croaking. Okay.
I don't know where.
Yes, yeah, that is. Thank you, Guruji.
Very good. What happened?
And
Screen?
also, I don't know. That's what I'm just thinking.
Share screen, you're not able to do?
Yeah. Well, I kept it open only, but only thing is I'm not able
Should
to.
I do it?
So where I should get it? iCloud Drive, Dropbox. What has happened?
You got it?
I'm just sorry, Navneet, I don't know what happened. Microsoft OneDrive, I don't know where it is. So somehow I'm not able to open it.
Okay, you don't worry. What I will do is, I will do the share screen from my screen. Then you can see, continue.
Now I got it. Let me see.
You got it?
Class.
Okay.
Okay. Kusuman. Okay. So this we have already seen.
I think 114 page you have to go. The last page was 114.
14.
Then you said you will
Dhanyavad.
repeat it again this class, isn't it?
Yes. Dhanyavad. So you can see the screen, isn't it? All of
Yeah,
you?
can make it little bigger.
Okay. So Dhyayena Patantu. Asmi Swaha Smaha. Asmi is Ekavachana. Pratama Purusha, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Swaha is Uttama Purusha Dvivachanam. Smaha is Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam. So it is like Asti, Staha, Santi. That is in Pratama Purusha. This is in Uttama Purusha. So you can see the picture. Aham, Asmi. I am. Last week we saw no Aham, Asmi. So when we say Aham, you have to use only Aham. Asmi. Similarly, for dual, you have to say Avam. When we use Avam, you have to say Swaha. Should not use Asmi. So both should be in dual. That is the specialty in Sanskrit. So Avam, Smaha. Avam, Swaha means we too. Okay, Vayam, Smaha. That means we all. Vayam, Smaha. So Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. Aham, Vaidyaha, Asmi. I am a doctor. Aham, so I can say Aham, Adhyapika, Asmi. Aham, Chhatra, Asmi. So like that you can say Aham, Vaidyaha, Asmi. Avam, Vaidyav, Swaha. So two are there, two doctors are there. So Avam, Vaidyav, Swaha. So Vayam, Vaidyaha, Smaha. So that we have already seen, no? Vaidyaha, Vaidyav, Vaidyaha. That you know. So Vayam is plural, Vaidyaha is plural, Smaha is plural. So all the words should be in plural. So, Aham Adhyapakaha Asmi. I am a teacher. Avam Adhyapakau Swaha. So two are there. So Avam Adhyapakau Swaha. Vayam Adhyapakaha Smaha. So we are all teachers. Vayam adhyapakaha smaha. So you can say you are all students. What will you say? Can anyone say? We are students.
Vayam
Vayam chhatraha smaha.
Uttam. Vayam chhatraha smaha. Uttam. So aham adhyapika asmi. So because feminine, you have to use adhyapika. So adhyapike, Sita, Site, Sitaha. So avam adhyapike swaha. Vayam adhyapikaha smaha. The last one. Aham balika asmi. Avam balike swaha. Vayam balikaha smaha. Vayam balikaha smaha. So we have to use it like that. We will see the next one. Aham dash asmi. Avam swaha. Vayam smaha. Udaharananusaram vakyani likantu. Aham balika asmi. Avam balike swaha. Vayam balikaha smaha. So you can one by one you can try. Bhanureka Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Aham chatraha asmi. Avam chatrau swaha.
Swaha. Uttam.
Vayam chatraha smaha.
Smaha. Third one.
Third one. Aham vaidyaha asmi. Avam vaidyau swaha. Vayam vaidyaha smaha.
Smaha. Uttam. So any doubt for anybody? Dhanyavada Bhagini. Uttama. Shall we proceed? Shall we try from 4? Okay. So okay, fourth one, Padma Bhagini.
Hang on. Aham dhiraha asmi. Avam dhirau swaha. Vayam
Uttama.
Vayam dhiraha smaha. I have a question. Dhiraha is a brave person or a strong?
Yes, correct. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
Brave person. Yeah.
Okay. And the next
Then
one.
second one, can
yeah.
you try the fifth one?
Yes, I'm going to try the next one. Fifth one, right?
Yeah.
Aham nipuna asmi. Avam. Oh, this is this one. Nipune, right? This is
Yeah, correct.
Strilinga.
Nipune.
Okay. Nipune swaha.
Uttama.
Vayam nipunaha smaha. Nipuna means learned
Nipuna,
person.
Yeah, expert. Yeah,
Expert. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then Dhanyavada Bhagini. Then Lakshmi Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Aham grihini asmi.
The sixth one.
Aham
Okay.
pradhyapika asmi. Avam pradhyapike swaha.
Uttama.
Vayam pradhyapikaha smaha.
Smaha. So Pradhyapika means professor.
Professor, yes. The next one is, yes.
Seventh one. Yeah,
Aham grihini asmi.
Okay.
Avam grihinyau swaha.
Swaha. Yes.
Vayam grihinyaha smaha.
Correct. Uttama. Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Dhanyavada.
Madhavi Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am. Aham chalakaha asmi. Avam chalakau swaha. Vayam chalakaha smaha.
Uttama.
Aham samshodhakaha asmi. Avam samshodhakau swaha.
Yes.
Vayam samshodhakaha smaha.
Samshodhaka means editor.
Editor. Thank you.
So tenth one.
Aham adhyapakaha asmi. Avam adhyapikau swaha. Vayam adhyapakaha smaha.
Smagha. Uttamam. Dhanyavad. Shall we mean, can they try this as homework, the Abhyasaka 55, or do you want me to?
I think 55, Abhyas 55, and the next page we will do as homework.
Okay.
You can go to 117 now page.
Okay.
Bhagini, is Samshodakaha researcher or?
Yes, Samshodakaha editor is there. I saw.
Editor, okay. Thank
Editor.
you.
I think researcher must be there, but I
just wanted a clarification. Thank you.
Editor or character was given. Editor, character.
Dhanyavad.
So this is Madhyama Purusha. So Purusha Trayam asti, Pratama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. So we will see now Madhyama Purusha. Tvam means you. So yuva means you too. Yuyam means you all. So tvam, yuva, yuyam. So aham, avam, vayam. Like that. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. I will make it a little big. So tvam. So you just addressing you. That's all. There is no other sentence. It is just is addressing you. Tvam. Yuvam. Two boys are there. So yuvam. Yuyam. More than two are there. So yuyam. Tvam chatraha. Tvam chatraha. So you are a student. Yuvam chatrav. So two are there. So yuvam chatrav. Yuyam chatraha. Yuyam chatraha. Tvam balakaha. Tvam balakaha. Yuvam balakav. Yuvam balakav. Yuyam balakaha. Yuyam balakaha. Tvam chatra. Yuvam chatre. Yuyam chatraha. More than two. So tvam, yuva, yuyam. So we have to use it like that. It's a Madhyama Purusha, second person. Tvam balakaha. Yuvam balakav. Yuyam balakaha. Tvam tarunaha. Yuvam tarunav. Yuyam tarunaha. So shall we try this? Okay. Priya Bhagini.
Padma, I have a question. Tarunaha is, what does Tarunaha means? Cartilage or something?
No, Tarunaha means what is it? Tarunaha, I think
Young man.
Young man. Tarunaha is young person.
A request for this, our co-student. Please, when somebody is trying to say one at a time, it's like a group mean the echo is too strong. I don't know if Raghuji feels it. And just a request, that's all. Please don't take it personally. Thank you.
Tarunaha, sorry.
Thank you, Padma.
So, I didn't say I should thank her. I don't know who said I should thank them. I didn't try. Some number actually, I am not. I didn't get the meaning for that number. Tvam namraha.
Namraha means respectful.
Oh, respectful. Okay. Tvam namraha. So yuvam namrau. Then yuyam namraha. Okay. Then. Okay, Priya Bhagini, could you please try the fourth one?
Madam. Tvam chatraha. Chatraha. Yuvam chatrav.
Chatrav, yes.
Chatrav. Yuvam. Yuyam. Chatraha.
Chatraha. It is like Vayam, it is Yuyam.
Then Tvam Takshakaha.
Takshakaha, yes.
Yuvam Takshakav.
Takshakaha is a carpenter. Okay, Tvam Takshakaha, please.
Yuvam Takshakav. Yuyam Takshakaha.
Uttama. Okay, धन्यवादः भगिनी. Raman Mahodaya, could you please try the 6th one and 7th one?
त्वं सैनिकः युवां सैनिकौ यूयं सैनिकाः.
उत्तमम्. त्वं नटः
त्वं नटः युवां नटौ
yes.
यूयं नटाः.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादः महोदय. Rajalakshmi Bhagini. So this is Sri Linga. So actually for Aham and Tvam, for Uttama Purusha and Madhyama Purusha, for male, I mean feminine gender and masculine gender, same only. Aham, Tvam. So there is no difference. So Tvam Chhatra, Yuyam, Yuvam, Chhatre, Yuyam, Chhatraha. So
can you
Rajalakshmi
okay. Tvam balika yuvam balike yuyam balikaha.
Uttama.
Tvam gayika yuvam gayike yuyam gayikaha.
Yuyam Gayakaha. Uttama.
Thank you, Bhagini.
धन्यवादः. Then Geeta Bhagini.
त्वं महिला युवां महिले यूयं महिलाः.
Yuyam Magilaha. Yes.
त्वं श्रेष्ठा युवां श्रेष्ठे यूयं श्रेष्ठाः.
Shrestha. So Shrestha means excellent women. It's a feminine, no? So excellent women.
Okay.
Shrestha. धन्यवादः भगिनी. Then Geeta Bhagini.
நான் தான் இப்போ படிச்சேன்.
Oh, okay. Lata Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Which one? 14 and 15.
Yes, please. Tvam Nartaki.
Tvam Nartaki Yuvam Nartakyau
Uttama.
Yuyam Nartakyaha.
Nartakyaha. Uttama. Then
Tvam Abhinetri Yuvam Abhinetrau Yuyam Abhinetryah.
Abhinetryah. Uttama. So Abhinetri means actress actually. Okay, धन्यवादः भगिनी. I think one more, I think 10 छात्राः सन्ति. यार last, so I think Sundar Mahodaya.
Ma'am, namaste. I'm Sundar here.
Please, you go ahead.
Yeah. Tvam gruhini, yuvam gruhanyau, yuyam gruhanyaha.
Grihinyaha.
Grihinyaha, sorry.
Grihinyaha.
Grihinyaha, okay.
Yes.
Tvam swamini, yuvam swaminyau, yuyam swaminyaha.
Uttama. Swaminyaha, yes. So it will be like this only.
Madam, what is the meaning of Swamini?
Swamini is this one, no? Swamini, what to say? Swamini, I mean, female Swamiji, no? Swamini.
Okay.
Lady form of Swami.
Yes.
Okay.
Swamini, you can be a noble woman.
Oh, okay, धन्यवाद.
Swami, noble man. Swamini, noble woman. Okay.
धन्यवाद. So for aham chhatrah asmi visano. Asmi smaha, I mean swaha smaha visano. Asmi swaha smaha. So that was a singular dvivachanam. This is a plural. So like that, tvam chatraha asi. We have to say asti. No, asti is that for. That is we have to use it for pratama purusha. So for uttama purusha asmi. For madhyama purusha you have to use asi. Asti, asmi, asi. So like that, asi, staha, sta. So that is the form. ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. So tvam chatraha asi. So it is given like that only. Tvam chatraha asi. Yuvam chatrau stah. Yuvam chatrau stah. Yuyam chatraha stah. So there is no visarga in there. So you can just observe. Asi staha sta. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Shall we try this? Okay, Banareka Bhagini. Tvam balakaha asi. Banareka Bhagini. Padma Bhagini. I'm sorry, my Aragyam Samyak Nasti. Sorry.
I'm sorry. Bhagini, I was speaking without clicking the mic. Sorry, I was telling actually.
No,
Sorry.
it's okay.
I'm telling. Tvam balakaha asi.
Yuvam
balakau staha. Yum balakaha stha.
sta. Yes. Second one.
Tvam chatra asi. Yuvam chatre staha. Yum chatraha stha.
Sta. So that you can observe. Asi staha sta.
Yes, Bhagini.
The same. Dhanikaha asi. Tvam dhanikaha asi. You can try. Tvam dhanikaha asi. You are a
Dhanikaha asi. Yuvam Bhagini, shall I continue?
Yes. Yeah, please. Yuvam
Tvam dhanikaha asi. Yuvam dhanikau staha. Yum dhanikaha stha. Tvam veeraha asi.
Okay.
Tvam veeraha asi. Yuvam veerau staha. Yum veeraha stha.
Uttama. Dhanyavada Bhagini. Padma Bhagini.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Okay.
Tvam amba asi. Yuvam ambe staha. Yum ambaha stha. Here amba is mother, right? Yes.
Mother, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And actually, I'm telling the meaning to refresh my memory,
It's
not
okay.
to.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead. No problem.
Tvam bhagini asi. Yuvam bhaginyau staha. Yum bhaginyaha stha. Bhagini is sister.
Bhaginyaha.
Bhaginya, that's what I said. Bhaginyaha. Oh, what
Yeah,
did
not yaha.
Sorry.
Yaha.
Oh, Bhaginyaha. Sorry.
No, it's okay. Bhaginyaha stha.
Stha. Yeah, not stha. That, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Can you try the seventh one? Tvam nartaki asi.
Yeah. Seventh one. Yeah, no. Fifth one, right?
No, I wanted you to try
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Tvam nartaki asi. Yuvam nartakyau stha. Yum nartakyaha stha.
Yum nartakyaha. Nadi, nadyau, nadyaha.
Oh, nadya. Okay, never mind.
Nadi, nadyau, nadyaha.
I keep doing that. Raghu, somehow I use the dirgham. Sorry about it.
No, sorry. Nadi, nadyau, nadyaha.
Nartaki. Nartyau, nartyaha. Similarly, can I do the third one to make sure I don't make mistake? Tvam putri asi. Yuvam putriau staha. Here comes. Yum. Oh God, putriyaha stha. Putriyaha. Yeah, correct. Yeah, putriyaha. Putra is the masculine. Yeah, putriyaha stha.
No, it is. No, you can attempt. You can write. It is not putriyaha. It is putriyaha. Pu it ir. Yeah, pu it ir yaha.
Oh, putriyaha. Right? Tra. That's a conjunct.
Putriyaha.
Yeah.
Nartaki, nartakyo, nartakyah, it is only ik only, no? Like that, it is it and ir, putriyah. Who it, ir, yah.
So how do you pronounce it? It and tra? It's not tra. I mean, it's a conjunct. How
It
does
is
it
not
work?
tra. It is not tra because ra means ir plus a, no?
Who it e yeah.
Putriya.
Putriya.
Yeah, Putriya. Okay, Putriya.
It is not
okay.
Putriya.
I know.
The tra is half matra tra, right?
Yes.
Ta and ra are both, this alantas.
Oh yeah.
It is not a full. It doesn't take the pronunciation akara. Okay. So putriya.
Putriya. See, I have weakness, Raghuji. I have to fix my problem because this conjunct constant throw me off all the time. I'm sorry. I'll work
No,
on
it's
that.
okay. No problem. You can just, if you write it, you can write, if you write it, you will definitely know. It, ir, no, and e. So that e becomes yaha. So pu, it, ir, yaha. Okay, then
Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate it.
The fifth one, then fifth one, Bhagini, Lakshmi Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Fifth one we just did, no? Tvam putraha asi.
Oh, okay. Sorry, sixth one.
Sixth one. Tvam priyaha asi. Yuvam priyau staha.
Staha, yes.
Yuyam priyaha stha.
Stha, utam. Then seventh one.
Seventh one we have done.
No, it's okay. You can try.
Yeah, I'll try. Tvam nartaki asi. Yuvam nartakyo sthaha.
Utama.
The last one is Yuyam nartakyah stha.
Stha. Utama. Eighth one, can you try? Eighth one?
Yes, sure. Tvam putri asi. Yuvam putryav sthaha.
Putryav sthaha, yes.
Sthaha. Yuyam putryaha stha.
Stha. Utama. Dhanyawad, Bhagini.
Bhagini, I had a doubt in this. When we write the Yuyam putryaha stha, the tra will be full or it's half?
No, I will put it in the WhatsApp, no? Because
yes, sure.
It is pu, it, ir, yaha. So that here you have to, on top of ya, no, you have to put it.
Yes, I got it.
Like nartaki, no, ir, itta.
Yes,
like that, pu, it, ir, yaha.
Okay, Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Dhanyavada. So then, Madhavi Bhagini.
Yes, madam. Tvam sundari asi. Yuvam sundaryav staha. Yuyam sundaryaha sta. Tvam chaturaha asi. Yuvam chaturau staha. Yuyam chaturaha sta. Thank you.
So same thing. Tvam chatraha asi, tvam patasi. So I mean, like patati, you saw, no? Saha patati, Ramaha patati, Sita patati. That is for which Purusha? That is for patati. Who can say?
Pratama Purusha. Pratama Purusha.
Pratama Purusha, you will say patati. Tvam, sorry. Saha patati, Ramaha patati, Sita patati. Okay, like that for Uttama Purusha, aham, what will you say? Aham?
Patami.
Patami, Uttamam. Aham patami. So, avam?
Patavaha.
Patavaha, Uttamam. Then, vayam?
Patamaha.
Patamaha, Uttamam. So, like this, no? This one is patasi, patataha, patata. Same format only. Asi, staha, sta. Like that, patasi, patataha, patata. So, tvam patasi. So, your study means tvam patasi. Yuvam patataha. Yum patata. So like that only you have to use singular, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Tvam lekaha asi. Tvam likasi. Yuvam lekau staha. Then yuvam likasi means likataha. You have to change it as likataha. Patataha, no, like that. Likataha. Then Yum patata. So likata, you have to write Yum likata. So likasi, likataha, likata. Okay. Shall we try this? Priya Bhagini. Shall we try the third one?
Tvam Ishwaraha asi. Yuvam Ishwarau staha.
Staha. Yes.
Yum Ishwaraha sta. Tvam Rakshasi. Yuvam Rakshasau.
Yuvam rakshataha. This is actually, these are all action words, no? Kriya words, no? You have to say Rakshasi, Rakshataha. So these are all not Ramaha, Ramo.
Okay. Rakshataha sta.
These are all action words, no? So Patasi, Patataha, Patata. Like that. Rakshasi, Rakshataha, Rakshata.
Rakshata. Okay.
Fourth one, you can read together, no? So then only it will be more clear.
Tvam
Prabuddaha asi.
Prabuddaha asi. Tvam Prabudya.
Tvam Prabuddaha asi. Tvam Upadishasi.
Sorry, I didn't get it. What is that?
Upadishasi. Teaching, no? Upavishami. Teaching it is actually.
No.
Upadishasi means teaching.
Fourth one itself, I didn't get. Tvam Prabudasi. And Yuvam Prabudau. Sorry.
Correct.
Prabudau sta.
Saha.
Yum Prabhudaha. Prabhudaha.
Yes.
Sta. Then Tvam Upadishasi. Yuvam
Upadishataha. That C becomes, so you can observe, no? Pata C, no? Patataha. That C becomes taha. So similarly, Upadishataha. So you have to remove that C and write taha.
Yes, then Yum Upadisha C.
C becomes, you can see the example, patata. Patasi, patataha, patata. C becomes ta.
Okay.
So, Tvam Upavishata. You're teaching, no? Okay. Tvam Upavishasi. Tvam, Yuvam Upavishataha. Yum Upavishata.
Okay.
Upadishata. Can you try the fifth one?
Tvam Janani asi. Yuvam
No, you read the sentence both together, no? So it will be a little bit easier for you. Tvam Janani asi. Tvam Palayasi.
Okay, acha, like that. Okay. Tvam Janani asi. Tvam Palayasi.
Yes, correct.
Then this is Yuvam
Madhyav.
Jananyau.
Correct.
Jananyau.
Jananyav. Yes, correct.
Then Tvam Palayasi. Yuvam Palayasa.
Palayataha.
Palayasaha. Okay, last will be saha. Okay.
Well, just C becomes taha. That's all. Patasi. Patataha, patata. That C changes. That you can observe. Same format only. Same format. No change. So only the last letter you have to change it.
Becomes okay.
Palayasi, palayataha, palayata. Then you are the okay, Ramanuni Mahodaya, the sixth one. Tvam.
Tvam dhanikah asi. Yuvam dhanikau asi.
Staha.
Staha. Yuyam dhanikah sta.
Sta. Correct.
Tvam hechasi.
Yes.
Yuvam hechataha.
Uddama.
Yuyam hechata.
Hechata. Correct.
Hechata.
Hechata. This one same only Mahodaya. This can be given as homework, no? Or want me to do it, Mahodaya? Tvam yachakaha asi. Yuvam yachakau staha. Yuyam yachakaha sta. Prichasi. Tvam prichasi. Yuvam prichataha. Yuyam prichata. So patasi, patataha, patata. Prichasi, prichataha, prichata. So second one, first one, sorry, rakshasi.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of that word, ma'am? Prichasi?
Prichasi means you are asking. Prichasi. You are requesting or
Okay, okay. Thank you. Got it.
Prichati. Prichati means same word, no? Prichati, prichami, prichasi. Okay, shall we, Rajesh, can you try the second one?
Yes, Mahodaya. Tvam devaha asi. Yuvam devau staha. Yuyam devaha sta. Tvam rakshasi. Yuvam rakshataha. Yuyam rakshata.
Uttama.
Do I continue, Bhagini, or?
Yeah, please, second one.
Okay. Tvam krishakaha asi. Yuvam krishakau staha. Yuyam krishakaha sta. Tvam
Yes.
krishasi.
Karshasi.
Yuvam.
Karshasi.
No, I finished rakshasi. Tvam karshasi.
Yes.
Tvam karshasi. Yuvam karshataha.
Yes.
Yuyam karshata.
Yuyam karshata. That is plowing, no? Krishaka is a farmer. He is just
Okay.
plowing the
Krishakaha is the
field.
farmer. Plowing
Yes.
is karsha.
Yes,
Okay.
karshati.
Thank you, Bhagini.
So if you say krishakaha, what will you use? Instead, I say krishakaha. Okay, farmer is plowing. What will you say?
Krishakaha gachati.
Karshati. Because I didn't use tvam.
Karshasi. Krishakaha karshasi.
No, just it is only. Sorry, I'm just confusing you. Krishakaha means it is like Ramaha, Sita, no, like that. So it is patati. So like that, karshati. Krishakaha karshati. That means farmer is plowing. Tvam krishakaha. When you are using tvam, then only you are using karshasi. Okay.
Karshasi. Okay.
Krishakaha karshati. Krishak kau karshataha. Krishakaha karshanti. That is for Pratama Purusha. Yeah, that is for third person. This is for second person.
Madhyama Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha. Yes. So when you are using tvam, then only you have to use karshasi. When I just devaha means what will you say? Devaha.
First person. Rakshati. Devaha rakshati.
Devaha rakshati. Yes.
Devaha rakshataha. Devaha rakshanti.
Yes. Devaha rakshanti. Yes. So like that only we have to use it because we are using from it is like si, taha, ta. Okay, then Geeta Bhagini.
त्वं वैद्यः असि त्वं चिकित्ससि
Yes.
युवां वैद्यौ स्तः
Yes.
त्वं चिकित्सतः
Chikitsatah.
Yuvam
That
chikitsatah.
only that C changes. So C, he, it, sa, taha.
चिकित्सतः
Chikitsatah.
चिकित्सतः
Yes. Chikitsatah. Because see, we are only changing the
Chikitsastah.
Okay, चिकित्सस्तः.
Yeah, because that the C, if you remove and put staha,
Okay.
chikitsa plus staha, chikitsastah, it will become, right?
I know the taha only. Chikitsatah. There is no pruchasi, pruchataha only.
चिकित्सतः.
Correct. Here, what is the word? Chikitsasi, correct?
Yes.
Remove the C, what will be left?
चिकित्सस्तः.
Remove the C, what will be left?
चिकित्सा.
Chikitsa. Add staha to that.
चिकित्सस्तः.
No,
Guruji, is it staha or taha?
no, it is only
Taha.
patasi,
चिकित्सतः.
Chikitsatah. Is that it?
यूयं वैद्याः स्तः त्वं चिकित्सस्तः. यूयं चिकित्सस्तः.
Actually, I don't think it is ista because patasi, patataha, patasi, patata. So there is no this one. Only the C completely changes and taha is replaced. So I
Correct,
feel it is.
Padmaji,
Yes.
take one by one. Prichasi is there.
Yeah, pruchasi.
Prichasi. Now, when you do prichataha, then what is removed and what is
C. C is removed and taha is replaced.
Okay. So chikitsataha it will become.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Right. I get it.
त्वं नर्तकी असि त्वं नृत्यसि युवां नर्तक्यौ स्तः युवां
sorry, second one. Okay, युवां
नृत्यतः.
Yes, correct.
यूयं नर्तकी स्तः. नर्तक्यः स्तः. त्वं नृत्यत.
उत्तमम्.
यूयं नृत्यत.
UM nrutyata. Yes. Who said now? Geeta Bhagini. Okay, Lata Bhagini, could you please? Tvam Janakaha.
Yes, ma'am. Which number 5, ma'am?
5.
Tvam Janakaha asi. Yuvam Janakau stha. Yuyam Janakaha stha.
Uttam.
Tvam palayasi.
Correct.
Yuvam palayathaha.
Palayathaha. Yes.
Palayathaha. Yuyam palayatha.
Uttam. Palayatha means protecting our Janakaha means father, no? So he is only taking care. Palayati. Janakaha palayati.
Yeah.
Okay. Then 6th one, can you try? Tvam chatra asi.
Tvam chatra asi. Yuvam chatre stha. Yuyam chatraha stha.
Correct.
Tvam patasi, yuvam patatha, yuyam patatha.
Okay, dhanyawadalu Bhagini. So this patasi, you always patati, patataha, patarti, patami, patavaha, patamaha. Like that, patasi, patataha, patata. So if you write it in the paper, no, so that you can refer the same model.
Okay, thank you.
Dhanyawadalu. So Sundar Mahodaya.
Yes, ma'am. Tvam arakshakah asi, yuvam arakshakau stha,
Yes.
yuyam arakshakaha stha.
Correct.
Tvam rakshasi, yuvam rakshati, rakshataha,
Yes.
rakshataha, sorry.
So,
Yuyam rakshati,
Rakshata.
rakshata.
Rakshati means you will for only Pradama Purusha. Arakshakaha rakshati. Because we are adding tvam, we are using it.
So tvam rakshasi, yuvam rakshataha, yuyam rakshata.
Uttama. Then 8th one.
Thank you. Tvam tantuvayah asi, yuyam tantuvayau stha,
Yes.
yuyam
Yuvam.
tantu, sorry, yuvam, yeah.
Yes.
Then last, once again.
Yuyam. Vayam, yuyam.
Where is this numbers? Yuyam tantuvaha stha.
Tantuvayaha sta.
Sta.
Yes. Tantuvayaha. Tantuvaya means
Tantuvayaha.
weaver.
Weaver, okay.
Yes.
Tantuvayaha sta.
Sta. Yes.
Tvam vayasi, yuvam vayati, vayataha, yuvam vayata.
No, yuyam.
Yuyam vayata.
So aham, avam, vayam. Similarly, tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Same model.
Yuyam.
Yes,
Okay.
yuyam. Yuyam is only plural. Yuva means dvivachanam. So vayasi means vayati. Tantuvayaha vayati means weaving.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Dhanyawadalu. So I think so this one I think we'll just try. Asti staha santi. Asi staha sta. Asmi swaha smaha. So okay, who will tell first? Which first one? What is the Purusha Trayam? You know, and what are the Purushas here? First one, Asti staha santi. It is third person. Ramaha asti, Sita asti. Third person. It is Prathama Purusha. Asi means Asi is Madhyama Purusha. Asmi. What happened? Asmi. Uttama Purusha. Yes. So Asti is Prathama Purusha. Asi is Madhyama Purusha. Asmi is Uttama Purusha. So Asti staha santi. Asi staha sta. Asmi swaha smaha. So we'll just do some 5. Then we will. Okay.
So this is Padmaji. You know, this is a mix up the different ones, right?
Yeah,
It's
yes.
born to confuse us because those times it's only one.
No,
Either Prathama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, or Madhya. Now here mixed up.
That is,
so we have to be more
stereo.
careful.
No,
If you have learned it, you won't be confused. You will be confused if you have not learned anything.
No, Raghuji. What I'm saying, the pattern is changing, so you got to be prepared for the
test. Whether you have learned, whether you have absorbed what has been taught till now.
Yeah.
So they are testing your ability or not ability, your what you have learned. Okay.
Yes, I know. When they mix up, you have to be more alert. That's what I'm saying. Because
Exactly.
That's what I meant.
Yeah, very true. Yeah. Okay.
First one we'll try. Aham adhyapakaha. Who will say? Aham adhyapakaha.
Asmi.
Asmi. Okay. Then Tvam Chatraha, the Padma Bhagini, you please tell me.
Yeah.
Tvam Chatraha.
Asi.
Uttamam. Then third one. No, I will say.
Third one.
Yeah.
Aham Vaidyaha Asmi.
Aham Vaidyaha Asmi. Okay,
I'm-
Dhanyavad.
Yeah, Raghuji alerted me, so I'm conscious now.
Then okay, I will because I don't want to say the same thing. Okay, then Vaidyaha. So the first one. Okay, who's Lakshmi Bhagini? Please tell me. Vaidyaha.
Yes, Bhagini.
Is Madhyama Purusha, isn't it? Second person. So Vaidyaha is is plural. Vaidyaha is plural.
Vaidyaha is plural. Vaidyaha Smaha.
No, Vayam is only Aham. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Vayam Patamaha. We will learn. Vayam Sanskritam Patamaha. So Vaidyaha Sta. So is second person. No?
Yes.
Madhyama Purusha. So it is Sta. Okay, so the next one, Avam, Mitre.
Avam, Mitre.
Aham, Avam, Vayam. So Avam is
Madhyama Purusha. Yeah, Avam is Madhyama Purusha.
Oh, Avam is Uttama Purusha. Aham, Avam, Vayam.
Oh, sorry. Aham, yeah, Uttama Purusha.
Mitram, no, Mitram, Phalam, Phale, Palani. So Mitram.
Avam, Mitre, Swaha.
Yes, correct. Avam, Mitre, Swaha, correct. So, okay. So, Madhya Bhagini, you please try. Vayam Chatraha.
1 second, madam. Which one is it?
The second one.
Second.
Vayam
Chatraha Smaha.
Vayam Chatraha Smaha. Correct.
Yuvam Chatre Staha.
Yuvam Chatre Staha. Correct. Third one.
Aham Vaidyaha Asmi.
Uttama.
Vayam Rajaputraha Smaha.
Yes.
Te Kanye.
Saha Tau
Te Kanye. Te Kanye Staha.
Te means Prathama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha.
Plural.
Asi.
No, Anti. Te Kanye. Santi.
Yes.
Excuse me, madam. This is Kanya.
It is Kanya, it is given.
Kanya.
Dual Strilinga, no?
Sita
is Strilinga.
But there is a Bahuvachanam. Saho, no, it is Sa Te, sorry. Sa Te Taha. Yes, Sa Te Taha. So Te Kanya. Dvivachanam. So what will you
Staha. Te Kanye Staha.
The first one. Staha. Sorry, Tavarga. Te Kanye Staha. Okay, I think stop it. Dhanyavad, Mahoday.
I think we'll stop here.
Yes, please.
Okay. So 1 second. You can stop the screen sharing. Yeah, 1 second. Where am I? See, what you have to do is take a paper and make 2 tables, right? And in the first table, you write aham, avam, ayam. That thing 9 you write here, and here asmi. Oh no, sorry. You start with aham, avam, ayam, tvam. We have not done that.
Tvam, you.
Yuvam, yuvam, yuyam. Like that, on one side you write, on the other side the corresponding verbs you write. Okay. Then if it is aham, you select that, that correct verb in the same box, it will be there. So if you do that, then it will become very easy. Keep that as a ready reckoner in front of you when you are doing this exercise in the class. So there won't be any confusion for you what is to be selected. If you are taking, if it's a Strilinga, then you know what is to be selected, which is dual or plural. If it is Pullinga, you know that te comes in plural for Bahuvachan, whereas in Strilinga, te comes for in the Dvivachan. So like that, if it is clear in your mind, few times you practice like that, then this will become very, very easy. That is how you have to learn, rather. Of course, if you are able to remember it, nothing like it. But till such time that you are able to memorize this, then you can use this kind of a tool. Okay. Write that. Anybody wants to say the prayer? Closing prayer, Purnamada. Yeah. Go ahead.
Om.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Very good.
Dhanyavada.
Thank you very much. Dhanyavada, everybody. So we some people have submitted the homework. Please look into it, and you can submit it by 12 o'clock tonight. Otherwise, it will be marked as defaulters, number 1. Number 2, I will be sending another homework today. So, and also post it in WhatsApp, because last time I think people thought that it will be informed in the WhatsApp, which I did not do. So when I post the homework in the classroom, I will also inform in WhatsApp. This homework which I'll give today will have to be turned in before Tuesday, next class. Okay. So spend some time to do that over the weekend. And I wish you all a very happy weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om.